Hey, what's happening? So I'm always getting questions about my laser engraver, what it is, how much they are, all of that kind of stuff. So I figured I would take a couple of minutes and show you a little bit about it, what I use it for, and what you could potentially use it for to make money with your current business, or maybe you've got an idea for a business and this thing could be something that could help out with that. This one is a 50-watt fiber laser engraver. They make a 20-watt, a 30-watt, and the 50-watt. Basically, it'll engrave metal, won't do wood, won't do glass, it'll break glass. I've done that before. It is a good product, great way to make money, and very, very easy to use. Whenever I first got it, it was a little bit confusing, but you learn it really fast. It works on EasyCAD 2. They do have an EasyCAD 3 as well, but I've never had a reason to upgrade, so I don't. This is the machine. This is the program that it uses, EasyCAD. And yeah, if you want to do a laser engraving with it, it's real simple. 1, 2, 3. And honestly, it is just as simple as, let's say you wanted to do a text. We'll just let it run the word test. You can pick the font. Doesn't really matter. Yeah. You put your item in, get your measurement. I went ahead and laser engraved this to where it has the line right there on it. You're gonna have to hatch out the program. You hatch out the text. Got a lot of different settings, but for this quick tutorial, we'll just run it like this real quick. And there you have it. Go ahead and turn that part off. Like I said, this thing is super simple to use. It can make you a lot of money, especially if you sell the product that they're getting engraved. Great investment. Best investment I've ever made with this business. I'm super happy that I did it. And if you get one of these, you probably will be too. In the description, I'll put a list of all of the things that you can engrave with it, where you can get it, all of that kind of stuff. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to answer. And that's pretty much it. If you get one, you'll probably be pretty happy with it. Oh, and the thing I get asked about more than anything else is the Lego setup. All right, this makes it so much easier to move things around. If you're needing a jig, you can just basically pop your Legos around, put it right where you need it to, set it up, and just keep on running. Versus that thing with the holes, then you have to use a little Allen key and put these, screw them down, set up your jig. Doing it that way is a huge pain in the butt. So if you do get a laser engraver, get a little Lego pad, and you'll be very happy that you did. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna put a link in the description, or I'll put a link somewhere in here where you can pick one of these up. They're around $3,000. And yeah. I'm sure I forgot, oh God. Hi. And there's John too.
Hi. Come on, John.
Hi. Go ahead, say hi, John. Everybody else is.
Say hi, John.
You're not even looking, you looked at the side of the camera. Here, look at that one or that one.
No,
Or this one.
This is a 360-degree camera.
Yeah, well, I got
There's
1,
cameras
2,
all around.
3,
You can look anywhere.
4, 5, and then the audio is getting recorded into there.
Actually, you have to look
But
at
you're
the
not
roof,
even. You're not even in.
Yeah, you're not even like in that camera.
Oh.
Or this one.
Hi,
But I'm
John.
in that one.
You were in that one. It's not, I'm not recording 360.
That one.
I'm doing a video.